Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on the Ulefone Armor X7 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to access the SIM slot on the left side of our device, take the SIM needle and open the slot. Now we should be able to access it, but it's really hard to do it with fingers. Let's use the SIM needle as well to just poke it out. Okay, now inside we can find the one SIM slot right here, and there's actually another SIM card that you can place right here as well, but that would sacrifice a place for SD card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.